What's up, y'all? It's your boy Plorbia. Today we are back, and yeah, we gave up on that little thing we were gonna do, so we're just gonna play normally now. Oh yeah.
What were you gonna do?
Something that you don't need to know about. None ya. Okay, so we need to head over to... What?
Keep getting just a normal basic.
Yeah, so I don't have any seeds, and also I can't afford that. Nor do I have the blueberries.
You want these mushrooms?
Nope. And also, what with the mushrooms would I even help you with?
Mushrooms. They have 130,000 HP, but they give
Oh,
no good.
puff shrooms. I heard mushrooms. Right there. Now we just head up to this dude. Yay. Ooh. Oh man. Can't do that anymore. Now you need to get the stuff. Or do that. Anyways, what's in here? Oh. Wee. Now we just head over here.
How many bees do you have?
5 still. Oh, wait, I've discovered. Well, yeah, because I was just sitting there for a while.
I can get to the next area to get better stuff.
I can also go there, I'm pretty sure.
You need 10.
I'm aware.
What did you have?
5. Ooh, bomb. Alright, so now we head back. Oh, dang. Someone decided to... A high-level dude decided to start grinding dandelion. We'll get dandelion. Oh, yeah, we did do that quest. Oh yeah, and also, today's your, now is your daily reminder to drink some water. Yes, I will say this in most of my videos. Just because I know half of y'all ain't been drinking water.
Guys, water is stupid, don't drink it.
And you see, that's how you get dehydrated, people. I know from experience, I've been in the frickin' hospital from dehydration.
You don't drink anything. You don't even drink sweet tea.
Ooh, another ride.
You need sweet tea for it.
Nah. Rad. All I need is a rad bee.
Nah, I'm good. I got a big caffeine. I don't need your antivirus protector.
Dang, that's a lot of basic bees you got there. Not gonna use any royal jellies on them?
I just got one.
And there, I'm in here. I only have... Oh. Nope, I'm not supposed to be there. I glitched in and it immediately teleported me back to spawn. They know I'm not supposed to be there. To the 10 area. Simple, I used the slingshot.
Yeah, I forgot.
Oh, snowstorm. Yippee! But first I need to talk to Panda. Yo. Alright, yeah, I'll do that quest, but first, we're gonna take on this spider.
What?
I'm gonna murder a spider. Ah!
Who's that voice? God.
What? Ah!
Was it?
Oh yeah, that's the sound effect that plays whenever you pick up a rage token. I ain't getting this bloom, but we still gonna do it. Just so that it's harder for the next person here.
Let's see.
I love this music. Dang, my freaking speakers were getting fried the second I started doing that.
Be good. I can't really tell. It's red.
It's okay. Wait, do I have a treat? Treat. For you, Firebee, because I love Firebees. Bruh, let me feed my Firebee. Thank you. Now I need to just get one more. Dang, so there's no way to get into there without actually being 15. Okay, yeah, so...
15,000 fallen. How will I do that?
Oh, hi, rhinos. Blueberry.
Why do you keep doing that, to be honest? Ah!
Oh! A vicious bee! Fight the vicious bee. Fight the vicious bee. Go to Spiderfield. Because there's a vicious bee there. We need to fight it. Gives good rewards. So you do need to just dodge his attacks, but they're insanely easy to dodge. If it was a gifted vicious bee, I'd say stay away from Spiderfield at all costs. But it's just a normal one. And also, vicious bees are, like, pretty rare. I rarely see them. I remember when they were first added, they would spawn, like, almost every night. But now they're like really rare. Okay. So yeah, we just need to evade it. And just let our bees do all the work. Don't you love enslaving bees and forcing them to do your bidding? Yes, I will do that every single time I pick up a rage token. Ooh. Yeah, but I still can't believe this dude got a freaking gifted basic bee. How lucky is this dude? You know?
Guys, I have an idea. If I hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of next weekend, I'll swap my gifted basic bee if I hit 100 subscribers. I mean 1,000. 1,000.
No, go for 100. 1,000 is way too much.
100 by the end of Friday next week.
Alright, so anyways, I'm gonna make 50 alternative accounts. And then immediately unsub after you do it.
No.
Just because I'm a hater.
It's you, this account.
Yeah, but you won't know that
It
it's me.
can't be any. Okay, 1,000 just because you said that.
I'm making 1,000 alternative accounts.
Better not. 10,000.
You doubt the measures I would go to. Aw, man, it despawned. Oh, wait, no, it didn't. Why did you go away?
I died.
Bruh. I thought that it despawned because I saw all of your bees go away. I thought they were chasing it or something as it despawned. But nope, it's still here. And also, how did you die? There are massive red indicators that are there for like 5 hours. What?
I'm not looking at my screen, I'm just walking around, to be honest.
Oh yeah, right, you're too busy gooning.
What?
What?
I'm recording!
Same.
If we hit 100 the end of Friday, that is not Florbia. I'll get rid of my gifted common bee and switch it to something else.
Basic.
Same thing, basic. Can't be Florb. Ah!
How did you die again? How?
Oh,
Genuinely.
I'm just walking in.
You are the worst at fighting vicious bees. Yet you somehow have the best luck.
Like a wild bee, isn't it?
Yep. Oh, do you want me to show you something that takes like 5 hours to beat?
No, I'm good.
Oh,
wait,
yeah.
there's a stinger. Gum drops.
Oh, yeah, all I see is a stinger.
Could be easier now.
I was sitting still while using it. Is that your third time dying?
No, I'm still alive, to be honest.
Oh, and also Windy Bee spawned in. Vicious Bee is almost dead.
I died.
I'm gonna kill it before you respawn. Ah! I just got a damage boost. Along with a stinger.
You would not. You would not. Okay, I'm back, thank God.
Dang. It'd be funny if he left, like, the second before we kill him. Let's go. Stingers, honey, and levels.
That's not bad.
Do you know that it's possible to obtain the Vicious Bee? And it's actually pretty easy, you just need to grind for a bit. And it is a very powerful bee, I'm pretty sure. Ooh, that's an amazing gifted bonus. Ooh, I didn't know that it could do that much. Anyways, I finished Brown Bear, but what's Black Bear's current quest? I'm pretty sure it's Red Request.
Science Bear.
Oh yeah, Science Bear. You should give your gift to them.
I'll give my gift to Black Bear.
You.
I did it a long time ago.
Black Bear is my boy.
Get off there now to the...
Ah!
I own Black Bear.
Of course, that's why you own them.
That's not what I mean.
Oh man, I want more quests though. Bro, Brown Bear is gay.
That's weird. Who is Brown Bear?
You don't. Yeah,
Oh, wait,
fellas! This man doesn't know who Brown Bear is.
The dude who wants me to do his stalking, I'm not gonna do that for him.
You didn't actually take his quest, did you?
I may have.
You only took his Christmas quest. He's Mr. Royal Jelly. Every time you do a quest, you get a Royal Jelly from him.
How do I not do this quest?
This man's a certified Black Bear hater. Well, Brown Bear. This man hates Brown Bear.
Do I? I don't know. Do you?
Brown Bear is like one of the best bears. Actually, he's the second best bear. Actually, third best.
Black Bear is better.
Yeah, Black Bear's the best. Science Bear is the second best. And then Brown Bear is the third best.
I just don't want to do science quests.
Oh, they give you permanent buffs.
should. That's gonna take a long while.
Just to give you permanent buffs. Bet! Just say less.
Hey, Les!
You made it unfunny. Dang, this dude just kills the mood.
You're not fun.
Not funny. Didn't laugh. You know what? Screw it. We're giving him the gingerbread bear. We're gambling. Aw, man.
Gambling!
How the freak do I even get the, sunflower seeds? I want sunflower seeds.
Gamble all your life savings.
You know what? Put everything on red. That's my life lesson for y'all today. Take your college fund out of the bank and put it all on red.
Yep, do that.
Big trust. It definitely won't ruin your life.
Yeah.
Alright, now I gotta go talk to Black Bear.
Stop doing that.
Doing what? All I gotta do is go talk to my boy, Black Bear.
Black.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Black Bear.
Are you sure about that?
Alright, so now I gotta go get stuff from Spiderfield. Oh man. What is this?
Cut vines? How do I cut vines?
Oh, that's to a hard boss, but you need the skizzers.
You need scissors?
Yes. No, it's not like that's what I just said.
I already have that, to be honest.
Then enter and fight the boss. Fight the commando chick. Bro, you ain't unlocked trading yet. Nope. Ooh.
Have you? Wait, have you unlocked trading?
I think so.
Level on you. Pretty sure you can do level 24.
There isn't a level system in this game.
I mean, not level. You know what I mean.
No, I don't. I'm stupid.
You have not unlocked it.
Fire! Bomb! Treat. Bomb!
I got a honeybee. That's good.
It summons honey tokens.
Let's go.
Can I do it still? Aw, man, they got rid of it.
Do what?
You can no longer feed your bees from across the map. You used to be able to. Aw, man, and that's in the 15B area.
Only took 16,000 pollen, you black bear? What? He's mean. I'm not doing that
Yeah, black berries mean. You know?
Here. Get.
Okay, so we're gonna do a bit of grinding in the spider area. Oh! I didn't know that these dudes were here. Give me that. And give me this.
My panda, buddy. What's up?
Give me some of this stuff.
What does brown berry give you again? What does it say?
Brown bear gives you egg. He give you rare egg.
You give me a royal pet.
He gave you a what?
Royal pet.
Oh, I thought you were talking about black bear. I'm stupid. I mixed them up.
Rascal.
Okay, there. Now we only need 4 more treats. Ooh. Wait, how many into that egg? Oh, we are harvesting sunflower. We get to just calmly get stuff. So we're effectively just gonna get a full back from each area. Ooh, gifted star. Yippee. Fire! Sunflower. I know exactly where I'm going. Nope, we ain't gonna reset. Because that'd be stupid. Anyways, now we gotta head over here. And get that. Alright, and also we need that. Alright. Alright, there, now we got over the fence. Yes, but that is where I want to go. There. Now, I ain't gonna say it so that Soul doesn't hear. But that is where I need to be. What are you doing?
Getting honey right now. What about you?
Same.
I'm doing black bear quest right now.
But now I'm a speedy boy.
So cool.
I'm faster than you. Look at me. I'm faster. I'm a speedy boy. What?
Do quest, I get a gold egg. Heck yeah, let's go.
I'm on leisure loot. I have no clue how many quests until the gold egg. Okay. Bees, strike them down. Good bees. Ah! I just love the sound effect that thing makes. Just ah!
The bear, what's up, boy, panda?
Bro, you're just calling everyone your boy. Make up your mind.
My boys are black bear. We also got panda bear.
For me, my boys are brown and black.
Even brown bear is not good.
Brown Bear's the royal jelly supplier.
Yeah, but that's every 24 hours.
Okay, but you can get 2 every 24 hours.
One.
Okay, but still. Royal jellies are pretty hard to come up on. And I don't play this game too often. So it's pretty much just every time you get on, you can get a royal jelly. And his quests are really easy. And also, once you do enough quests for him, I'm pretty sure he gives you a star jelly. You know, the thing that gives you a guaranteed gifted?
I said I don't care.
Brown Bear is one of the goats.
This boss?
What?
I'm fighting a boss with 30 million HP.
What's
I'm not fighting.
What's the name of it?
He's called. Let me go check. I just ran away.
Let me guess, the Mondo chick.
Stump Snail.
Oh, Stump Snail, that dude.
I'm not fighting. It's gonna be way too long.
Oh yeah, people AFK on that dude.
I would, but where's Strawberry?
Let's go, the quest is finished. But we might as well get as much out of this temporary buff that someone uses Snowflake. And there. Snowflake expired as I got full storage. So now I've got more I've got more honey in my backpack than I do storage in my backpack. Though I'm pretty sure this was the quest for the gold egg, maybe, that I just did. Maybe. Pretty sure, at least. Yo, what's up, my boy Black Bear? Oh, 6 more quests and the gold egg is mine.
I need 2 more after this one. I'm gotta be done with this one.
White Wrangler. Hey? I'll be the White Wrangler. Oh, I have 10 bees now. Yippee. Now we can take the slingshot up. And I can't afford anything. Oh, this. And also, how much does this cost? 500k. Okay, yes, we'll just save for the $50,000 one. Oh yeah, and I got a sticker and you don't have one. I found a sticker. While you're just a Okay, there. Now we just killed that. What's up, my boy Stump Snail?
Wait, you only have 10?
Yeah? Wasn't even that quick.
I mean, yeah.
It was slow. On most accounts, it doesn't take me nearly this long to get all this stuff that I have. 12 discovered. I have 13 discovered. Let's go.
They're on the field now. That's left. Well, guys, that's probably going to be the end of part 2.
Hey.
Have a great day. So, out, subscribe.
So, I already have that. But lots of white pollen and strawberry and bamboo. Ooh, perfect lunch. Get over here, bees. Y'all are slow. Get over here. Alright, there, now we converted, and we're back. Get rid of this bloom. Yoink that. Oh, hey, one of my friends joined. It was, Ace. Pollen container full. Alright, so now we head back. Okay, there, now we're... Alright, there, now we just need to head up to the spider field. And we can fight a spider, I'm pretty sure. Because I'm pretty sure my cooldown's finished for it. Yep. Yep-a-roo. Ooh, tweet. And also, this place has a lot of white pollen. I think I'll stay here.
Over 100,000 honey.
Yo, what's up, Ace?
I'm out.
Bruh. Yo, we're making a video on Bee Swarm right now. Yo, Ace, you should join us in recording. Okay, there, so we did that. So now we can talk to Black Bear. Pineapple picking. Pineapple patch. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. We got 50k.
I have 111. Ow. That man.
Hey, Soul. I don't know. Oh, Royal Jelly. Yippee. Dang, I gotta kill 15 ladybugs. 15. But also, we walk in here. Yoink. Yippee. Now I've got enough storage to do this stuff. Yay. Ooh. Bloom. Harvest that. Ooh, another bloom. We just need to harvest it. Ooh, another bloom. Blooms are just popping up so much here.
I say for the
Okay, there, that's the white pollen done.
honey or just buy the 5K honey?
What?
I said for the storage that's 160,000 honey, or should I buy the 55,000 one?
I don't know. Okay, there, we just converted stuff to honey, now we're here. Who just made a purchase? Bro, Soul. Why you buying stuff?
I don't think I'm buying stuff for you.
You purchasing some snacks?
Would be right now if I'm looking outside.
Buy some snacks.
Would be, I just said.
Bring them over to my house.
Still my Switch controls. I kind of want that back.
Haha.
I realized I left like 3 of my Nintendo Switch games also at your house.
Dang, bro. That really sounds like a you problem.
I'm gonna come there soon. Eating those things.
And when you do come, I'm just gonna smack you.
Nah, I'm good.
You're just getting smacked. That child is getting smacked. Do you know whose line this is? That child is getting slapped.
I'm kidding.
It's from who? Do you want to keep your life?
From Joe.
No, it's not from Joe.
From your Joe mama.
Bro, Black Bear, give me my freaking reward. I gotta leave and rejoin now. So there, now we left and rejoined. Talked to Black Bear. Of course it glitched out my pollen left.
Hey, Black Bear, for what you did.
What?
Damn it. His business stuff.
Screw you, Black Bear. Just give me my quest properly. Black Bear.
You actually stop.
Stop what? Okay, then. It actually let me take it.
I don't think I would rather fish for
Sure. Oh yeah, while we're making some honey, I'm gonna give this to little basic guy. And he's a brave guy now. You see, you just gotta slap your jelly on someone and they'll become brave. Just slap some special jelly on them. But it's gotta be your special jelly. If you steal someone's and then slap it on them, it won't work. You heard me.
I say in chat, is he weird or not?
What do you mean say in chat? We ain't streaming, boy. I don't trust you not to say my full government name on stream. I don't trust you not to say my address on stream.
To be honest, my mom does. To be honest, I don't know it by heart.
Good. And I ain't telling you it.
I know mine.
Winona.
Lakeshore Drive.
Y'all heard that? He lives on Lakeshore Drive.
No, Lakeshore Drive. I won't say my number.
Yo, he lives in Edgewater. Dang, bro. You just doxed yourself. Ooh, vicious bee.
I don't know the number of my house.
Ah, in the rose field. Says the one who got rejected by someone who he liked for 6 years. Like, seriously, he liked a girl. I have 67 honey right now. But he liked a girl for 6 or 7 years before getting rejected. Get. So she's gay.
I mean, he just likes everything. That's just kind of weird.
Dang, you got rejected by someone who likes everybody.
She rejected like 4 boys, though. There were 4 boys all over her, and she rejected them. She should be glad she's getting somebody. And then she goes for a girl.
Bruh.
After 1 week, she rejects the girl. Breaks up.
You see, that's the sign of a slut.
I don't like her anymore. She was just annoying. She was very mean.
You see, that's the sign of someone who doesn't have a father.
She has a father, just not a mother.
Okay, that makes sense. And she probably doesn't get any attention at home.
She does. She doesn't have siblings. They buy ourselves a purse. Oh, I just got a festive gift.
Yep, it's from the Festive Bee.
What is it?
Oh no, Festive Bee is a bee that someone can have.
How did I get the gift?
Because it gives the gift to everyone in the server.
How do I get the gift? I don't have it.
It appeared on top of you.
Yeah, I clicked it. Said I can get it.
Dang.
What'd you get from it?
Just a bunch of different items. Okay, there. We finished Black Bear's quests.
Guess what? I'm about to get the gold egg.
Guess what? After I do this quest, I'll get the gold egg. What is your final quest for the gold egg, Mr. Black Bear? Oh, easy quest.
Why Colin? Okay, I'm not doing that.
Okay, so he's gonna open up his egg.
I got Riley B.
Dang! Only getting a Riley bee from it. Anyways, y'all, I think that's where we will end it off. Next video, we will... Oh, Well, actually, we'll get the golden egg off camera, and then we'll get it in the next video. We'll redeem it in the next video. Anyways, I'm Plorbia. That's Soul. He won't be ending his video yet, but I'll be ending mine. I hope you have a good morning, afternoon, and or night. See y'all next time. Plorbia out.